Welcome. In front of me is OPPO A5m, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you encountered the ghost touch problem. So the first thing that you can do in such case is wipe the surface of your screen to remove any debris or moisture from your device, and then check if your touchscreen works better now. And in case that it didn't help, then consider removing your screen protection, as it might affect the way that your touchscreen reacts to your gestures. Sometimes the screen protections are, especially the cheap ones, may worsen your experience with your phone significantly. So if you're so I suggest that you remove your screen cover and then wipe the surface of your screen again, and this might also help you. The next thing that you can do is go to settings, select system and update, go to software update, and check if your device has any updates to install. And if it does, please take your time to download and install all the available updates, and then restart your phone and check if this helped you solve your problem. And if it didn't, go to system and update, select backup and reset, then reset phone, then try resetting all settings, click reset, confirm. Okay, and once the settings are reset, see if it helped you with your problem. And if it didn't, as a last resort, you can erase all data from your phone. Of course, before you do that, create a backup of your personal files in order to keep them somewhere, so that you can bring them back to your phone once you perform a factory reset, basically. And once you do that, click erase all data, perform a factory reset operation, and check if this helped. And if this doesn't help you, then the last thing that you should do is contact the OPPO customer support service and tell them about your issue, and I think that they will find a way to help you out. And if you can't do that, or if they don't help you, then you can as well go to the nearest repair center and let them take care of your device, and I'm sure that they will help you with your problem. And that will be all for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.